Do you struggle to breathe through your nose? Introducing Hale Breathing Aid, a nasal dilator that fits inside your nose and opens your nasal passage from the inside out. Hale was invented by Dr. Patrick Byrne, Director of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery at Johns Hopkins. This revolutionary breathing aid comfortably slips in your nostrils to gently open your airway. Hale works instantly to improve your breathing and is virtually unnoticeable, so you can enjoy easier nasal breathing whenever you need it, day or night. Hale was inspired by Dr. Byrne's experience in both the clinic and operating room while treating nasal obstruction over the past 20 years.
We used CAT scan data to create an anatomically natural fit. We also employed the science of nasal breathing and surgical principles to create a device that helps people breathe their best.
Hale Breathing Aid relieves symptoms caused by nasal valve collapse, deviated septum, airway obstruction, nasal inflammation, and more. It has been proven safe and effective in preliminary independent clinical trials conducted at Johns Hopkins University. Hale is made from a blend of rubber and plastic polymers that are extremely comfortable and easy to clean. The best part is that Hale is virtually undetectable to those around you, and people are raving about it.
I use it when I work out. I feel so much better that I can actually breathe.
You're going to be thankful that you got your breathing back.
If you struggle to breathe through your nose, this is the answer.
Hale has already won multiple awards from MIT and Johns Hopkins University, is FDA registered, and has been featured in Forbes, TechCrunch, and ABC. Get Hale today and start breathing better instantly.